Meta ads provide six main campaign objectives: awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. Each objective is designed to align with a specific stage of the marketing funnel. Awareness helps in brand visibility. Traffic drives users to your website. Engagement builds interaction. Lead collects customer details. App promotion drives installs, and sales boost conversions. Choosing the right objective is critical because it determines how Meta system optimize delivery. In short, Meta simplifies campaign planning by focusing on business goal instead of overwhelming advertiser with too many options.
इस टॉपिक के बारे में और डिटेल में पढ़ने के लिए या हमारे ऑनलाइन कोर्स में एडमिशन लेने के लिए वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक करें। धन्यवाद।